Hello guys, good day, trust you're having a great day. Alright, I just wanted to brief you on this airdrop of a thing that we all are doing. Now majority of us, I see your comments, and some of you are not really happy because of the gas fee you're currently paying. I definitely understand. Now, these days, airdrop are not getting free. I see that's where it's going. Currently, if you participated on the cat's airdrop, that's the 𝐁𝐄𝐍. There is a news I saw recently on Twitter. Somebody got over $10,000. He made over $10,000 from 𝐁𝐄𝐍. Well, now when I looked into it, 𝐁𝐄𝐍 has a lot of tons to pay. Like for example, if you want to feed your cart you'll have to use ton. If you want to buy anything for your cart you'll have to use ton. And you'll have to pay for those things. So the guy did a lot, and at the end, he made a whole lot of money from 𝐁𝐄𝐍, and 𝐁𝐄𝐍 got to list at a very high price. 𝐁𝐄𝐍 listed at 80 cents, can imagine, and the guy made a whole lot. So that is it. Now airdrops these days are getting smarter, and it's no longer free. So we all have to pay for airdrops if we want to withdraw from it. Not all airdrop does it. Like the X Empire. Now you all have to pay 0.5 ton for you to receive your airdrop, and that is one of the criteria for you to be eligible for the airdrop. Now that is it. So guys, please don't complain. Alright, any money you make from any airdrop, I will advise you to buy ton. Let's say you made like 30,000. Take some of it, and buy at least 1 ton. So you can use it to pay for other upcoming airdrop that will demand ton for withdrawals. As for me, the way I do mine, the money I made from Hamster Combat and Dogs airdrop, I use some of them to buy ton, and today it is helping me a lot to pay for any airdrop that ask for ton. See, that's why I don't spend a lot of money, so any money I make I just take some of it to buy ton. You see, it's a win-win. So guys, I will urge you, if this is your first time participating on any of this airdrop, just bear with us. Alright, keep mining, make sure you save some amount of money before the airdrop listing date of any airdrop. You should have at least 1 ton so you won't have any issue when you want to withdraw. Beside most, I'm not saying all airdrop that ask to pay ton are legit. Most of them are scam, like the Monorix airdrop that was purely a scam. It's ripped over 4 million users of their hard-earned money. Although I did Monorix, but I never paid ton because it was so obvious that this project was a scam. So the bottom of this is, always have this at the back of your mind, that whenever you want to participate on any airdrop, be ready to invest into it. If you look like at the major airdrop, the top 3, those guys, they have invested in those projects a lot, and that is why they are the top 3, not just them others too. So that is it. That is just it. So guys, do not be angry, do not be fed up. That is just the way it is. Welcome to the crypto world. So guys, the bottom of this whole voice notes is, whenever you're farming an airdrop, just make sure you save some amount of money in case the airdrop asks for ton. You will not be disappointed at the end. You get, thank you very much if you watched this video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Share to your friends, to those who really don't understand this airdrop of a thing and those who are new to it. Thank you guys for listening, and see you on our next video.